Welcome to my channel, where today we're diving into something so luxurious, so over the top, that it makes even multi-million-dollar mansions look like simple houses. This isn't just a motorhome, it's the 2026 Rolls-Royce double-floor motorhome, a rolling palace worth a jaw-dropping $5 million. If you thought luxury on wheels couldn't get any grander, wait until you see what this masterpiece has to offer. From its double-decker design to its handcrafted interiors, this motorhome is redefining the meaning of road luxury. So buckle up, because this is going to be one incredible ride. Now let's talk about the motorhome itself. The 2026 Rolls-Royce double-floor motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's an engineering wonder. The sleek aerodynamic body carries the timeless elegance Rolls-Royce is famous for, combined with futuristic design elements that make it look like it's gliding even when standing still. The double-floor layout gives owners the feeling of living in a two-story mansion, but on wheels. Every inch is handcrafted with precision, with leather finishes, polished wood, and the signature spirit of ecstasy shining proudly at the front. It's a motorhome that doesn't just transport you, it makes a statement that you've arrived. Step inside the kitchen, and you'll feel like you've walked into a luxury penthouse suite. This isn't a cramped camper kitchen. It's a full-sized gourmet space designed for fine dining on the road. From marble countertops to hidden smart appliances, every corner screams sophistication. There's a wine fridge, a built-in coffee station, and touch-controlled cabinets that open with just a wave of your hand. The kitchen island is designed not only for cooking, but also as a gathering spot for friends and family. Rolls-Royce has even included a self-cleaning system, meaning your kitchen will always shine like brand new. Truly, this is a chef's dream on wheels. Now let's move into the bedroom. This is where comfort meets royalty. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome features a master suite that rivals five-star hotel rooms. Imagine a king-sized bed layered with the finest Egyptian cotton sheets, mood lighting that adjusts with your voice, and windows that dim electronically at the touch of a button. The walls are soundproofed for complete privacy, and there's even a built-in entertainment system hidden seamlessly into the design. It's not just a place to sleep. It's a sanctuary designed for absolute relaxation after a long day on the road. And what about the bathroom? Rolls-Royce spared no expense here either. The bathroom feels like a private spa, complete with a rainfall shower, gold-trimmed fixtures, and heated marble floors. The mirrors have built-in smart displays so you can check the news, weather, or even watch TV while you get ready. There's a luxurious soaking tub, ambient LED lighting, and a fragrance system that releases subtle scents to keep the space fresh and calming. No other motorhome bathroom comes close to this level of luxury. But wait, we're not done, because the story repeats itself with even more richness. Once again, let's take another look at the motorhome as a whole. This double-floor design isn't just about looks, it's about function too. The top floor offers panoramic views through oversized glass windows, creating the feeling of a luxury lounge floating above the road. The bottom floor is crafted for convenience with hidden storage, advanced climate control, and a seamless driving experience. Rolls-Royce has truly built a home that can travel anywhere without sacrificing comfort. Revisiting the kitchen, you're reminded again how Rolls-Royce redefined cooking on the road. It's equipped with smart sensors that adjust temperature and humidity for perfect food preservation. The cutting-edge induction stove, dual ovens, and even a robotic arm for stirring and prepping ingredients turn cooking into a futuristic experience. Even on a long journey, meals feel like fine dining. This second look at the kitchen just proves why this isn't an RV. It's a Michelin-starred restaurant on wheels. Back in the bedroom, the attention to detail remains unmatched. The second level of the suite offers hidden storage, a walk-in wardrobe, and even a private balcony space that extends outward at the push of a button. It's designed for those who want not just luxury, but also privacy and exclusivity. Imagine waking up to a sunrise with floor-to-ceiling glass, sipping coffee in bed while the motorhome parks on a mountain edge. Rolls-Royce has turned the dream of mobile luxury into a reality. The bathroom, too, continues to impress. The second space includes dual vanities, custom lighting schemes, and even a mini sauna room built into the design. Imagine having your own wellness retreat while traveling across the country. The sense of relaxation, privacy, and luxury makes this more than a bathroom. It's a personal spa that moves wherever you go. Finally, we come back full circle to the star of the show, the 2026 Rolls-Royce double-floor motorhome itself. This vehicle is more than transportation, more than luxury, it's a lifestyle. It's trending worldwide because it combines everything: status, technology, design, and comfort. It's not just about owning a motorhome. It's about owning the ultimate symbol of freedom and wealth on wheels. No wonder it's the talk of the luxury world in 2026. So what do you think? If you had the chance to step inside the $5 million Rolls-Royce Motorhome, would you take it for a ride? Or would you rather park it in your driveway as the ultimate mansion replacement? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury reviews.